Back to the channel, guys. Today I got something I want to show you, but I have to admit I made a video a few weeks ago about changing your perspective, and I have done it. Was not easy to do. I'll show you what I've done. Let's get started. So after over 4 decades of shooting weddings professionally and, big, huge, medium format cameras in the 90s and 35 millimeter in the 80s and full frame, anytime being a photographer, you probably know this if you've been one very long at all. Everybody you meet either is a photographer or has a friend that's a photographer. And usually what they have is a phone. Everybody has a phone. And that's okay. I understand everybody likes to take pictures. But if you walked into a wedding I was shooting and you had a phone, it didn't bother me at all. In fact, I let people shoot pictures even with real cameras. But to the point, the fact that I'm making a video for you guys that it involves a phone today is just hilarious. So anyway, let me show you what it is. What we have is the Godox MA5R. Check this out. We're going to do an open box on this in just a second, but let me tell you a little bit about what it is. It is the new Godox. It's a magnet. I haven't opened the box yet, so it's a magnet that fits onto the back of your phone. It'll work as a flashlight. You can do all the different colors. You can also flip it around. It'll shine a light on you if you're taking a selfie in the dark. You can do that. Or if you're just using it as a flashlight, you can do that. Very, very cool. It's just, you guys that watch the channel know I love gadgets. So this falls under the category of gadgets. This, again, don't take one of these and go try to do a wedding. I'm not saying that at all. This is for upping your photography game with your phone. Don't go start shooting weddings with it, okay? Just saying. So anyway, let's check out what's in this box because I'm really excited to get this. Originally, I bought this with the intent of giving it to my wife as a present. But since I've got the box, I've been reading about it, watching videos, I'm thinking I might have to order her another one because this one might have to be mine. This would be great for traveling, and we are fixing to go to the Keys. So I'm thinking this may have to stay with me. She may have to get one on order. So anyway, let's go over and check out the box. We'll finish the video over there. Okay, guys, so we have our new setup over here. So we're looking straight down at the product. So hopefully you guys can see that better now. This did not come with plastic around it, but I haven't opened it yet. So let's check it out. And I think from the videos and stuff, I saw it looked very cool, and it's Godox. And so usually pretty much, I don't think I've ever bought anything from Godox or New or anybody that I just didn't like. So you open the box, you get your cloth, cleaning cloth. Extend your warranty to 2 years. I have to check that out, see what that is. That might work. Then these, I believe, are, it magnetically attaches to most iPhones that are 12 and higher. And if you don't have the magnetic part, I believe you can stick this on the back of your phone and it'll work that route. So let's go this way. I've got the iPhone 12 and my wife is fixing to get the 16, so we should be covered. So here we are. I got the instructions, which, who reads that? We don't need that. I know how to work it perfectly already. See, I can't even get it out of the bag. All right. But I don't know about you guys, but I use my phone is as much a flashlight as it is anything else. But anyway, here is this, and I believe, yeah, there's a piece of styrofoam on there. So we have the LEDs, then we have our diffuser. I'm going to put the diffuser, I don't know, I kind of like it without the diffuser. Let's leave the diffuser off for a second. So we've got on the back, if you guys can see that, let's see if we turn it on, if we can get any power. So it is turning on now. Hopefully you guys can see this good. So that's English. Uh-oh, I might have to go through the setups. All right. So, and there is our standard light. Now we can change it to whatever color. I don't know how well you guys can see this menu. Let me try to get that in closer. So, and I have not read the directions yet. I don't know anything about working this menu yet. But you can change all your colors, and let's see, magnetically sticking to my phone. Perfect. Right there, look at that. That is awesome. So, here's your phone, holding it normal, light shining out that way, turn on the flashlight. Now, it will also charge your phone, so it is also charging the phone. Now, something else I saw on one of the videos, is you turn it sideways, and I don't know what button to hit to get it there, but let's see if I can hit a few buttons and see if anything changes. Okay, guys, so once we're in here, we can hold down this button, side button. When you scroll down to selfie, hit enter, and boom. I'm not sure if you can tell. This light is now on. Let me turn these lights off. Okay, so now my studio lights are off, so all we can see is this light. I can turn up the power, do whatever I want with it, change colors. It'll do all kinds of cool stuff. Turn it up brighter and brighter. It's 100. Turn it back down a little bit. Hit the back button, and then you've got a menu. The selfie is what turns this light on right here. Let me turn the strobes back on. Oh, we've got it open. I've got it dark so you can see the menu a little bit better. Okay, so now that we've got it going, I'm going to run you guys through all the effects that it has in it. Pretty much, like I said, same as any of the little LEDs come with. Like there is your flash effect, lightning, cloudy, and you can see up here, it gives you a picture and tells you. After cloudy, we have the broken bulb, TV, candle, fire, firework, explosion, welding, cop car. That one's really bright. If you get in a dark room, blue and red. I'd love to show you on the phone, on the video here, but I don't think it would pick it up. And you got SOS signal, RGB cycle through all different colors, party, which is, I think, a bunch of flashing lights. So anyway, just wanted to show you all the effects that it does have. It's some very cool stuff. So there you go. But anyway, I think it's very cool. It's hard to see that light with the strobes on, but you can tell it's how thin it is. This is the phone in the case, and then this is the light, the Godox light. So it's about the same as the phone itself. But then magnetically, it just sticks on there. It's not terribly heavy. I do like the fact it's magnetic. But anyway, it's very cool. I like it. Godox has put out some more cool stuff. So anyway, like I said earlier in the video, I think my wife is going to have to wait on hers to show up in the mail, because I like this one and I like the white. So I think I'll have to get her a pink one. But anyway, guys, it's very cool. Check it out. I'll leave a link down at the bottom. I appreciate it for helping you guys out. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Have a great day. Thank you.